What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today I have these, the Oppo Enco Free 2, the W51 successors. These things are highly anticipated, so you know what we're going to do, right? We're going to go through this box, we're going to explore all of its contents, we're going to do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and of course a latency test. Sit back, relax, strap on that seatbelt, let's do this, let's go. Right meow. Alright guys, so before we get started with the audio test, I wanted to talk about the Oppo Enco Free 2s for a second. These are actually the Oppo Enco X, and the design language, these are your Free 2s, are almost identical. And I don't know if this is going to pick up on camera, but you can see you have the line on both devices. You have your pairing button in the same spot on both of them. Really the only difference is the inside. They flipped around the earbuds so they are facing a different direction. They come in at $119 and they bring Bluetooth 5.2, which is a added bonus. They've also have ANC and transparency mode, which, please, manufacturers, if you're listening to me or watching this video, is an absolute necessity for 2021. That needs to be a standard feature. These are the W51. Huge design language change from last year's gen to this year's gen, and I actually prefer the new case. I think it is a better style, easier to manage. This top was a bit top heavy, always closed on its own. The new top will stay open, so the hinge is a good design. Yeah. All right guys, I got the Oppo Enco Free 2 earbuds in my ears. Let's get ready to listen to some tunes. Make sure we're cranked all the way up. This is my first impression. Very loud. Highs are good. Here comes the bass. Yeah, I like it. $119. I'm actually going to link them down in the description from the store that I purchased them from. They seem to already be on sale from the manufactured suggested price. They're already discounted. I'll link it down there below in the description. These things sound really good. Now, what I did is I made sure that the earbuds were fully updated before testing. I also tuned them to my ears inside the Hello Melody app. You can download from the Play Store. In certain regions, you can actually get it on the iPhone, but I was not able to download it to my iPhone. I was able to tune these to my ear. You do like a little bit of a hearing test, so it was really cool. It took about 3 minutes to complete that, but the highs were clear and crisp. The volume level, I had to turn it down because it was very, very loud. The mids were clean, clear, and the bass hit. It was almost brain rattling. It was right there. I like them. I liked the way they sound, and for the price point, I think they're right there in the higher echelon of earbuds that I've tested recently. They are not in the premium category, but they are on the high end of that mid-range. These might be the new king of audio in the mid-range. We'll have to do some further testing. But with that said, the next step, it's the mic test, right? Meow. Okay guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Oppo Enco Free 2 wireless earbuds. Let me go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background again. This is the sound of my voice with the Oppo Enco Free 2 wireless earbuds with ambient noise running in the background. Are these up to the current level of mics that we've been testing as of recent? Let me know what you think down in the comments. It is now active noise cancellation time. Let's jump into that test. All right guys, do me a favor before we start the next test. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you have notifications turned on. That way you get notified of my next video. It'll help the channel out a lot, and it'll help you out a lot, because the monster
that lives under your bed will not come and eat you.
All right, let's start the next test. It is now active noise cancellation time, and I have my pal Ted here. Say hello, Ted. Hello. Ted is a binaural mic. What he enables us to be able to do is put the earbuds into his ears, and you'll be able to hear and tell how good the active noise cancellation is. In this case, there is no app to cycle through the active noise cancellation, so you have to hold and press on the earbud itself, and it is supposed to cycle through the transparency or active noise cancellation. When it cycles, it is in Chinese. I can't tell which mode I'm really in, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these headphones on, I'm gonna hold the button, I'm gonna make sure that we're cycling through. I'm gonna play the ambient noise in the background pretty much the whole time because it's really difficult to tell which mode it's in, and I want you guys to be able to hear the difference. With some quick testing that I did before I started recording, I could barely tell the difference. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of the active noise cancellation. All right, guys, let's start the test. I'm gonna go ahead and start the ambient noise right now. Now again, I can't tell which mode it's in, but you'll hear the Oppo Enco Free 2 speak Chinese. And here we go.
通透
All right, and to me, I think that might be active noise cancellation mode. I'm really not hearing much of a difference, guys. Let's cycle again.
降噪开
Now that's the next mode. Now that might actually be the bigger difference. That might actually be active noise cancellation and the previous one, transparency mode. I'm gonna cycle one more time through both of them. Here we go.
通透 降噪开
And again, I'm barely able to hear a difference between the two modes. I think Oppo has some work to do with the active noise cancellation. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the latency test and see how they fare there. All right, guys, so as always with latency tests, we test it on both Android and iOS. For the Android phone, we are going to be using a OnePlus 8 Pro, and for the iOS device, we are going to be using a iPhone 12 Pro Max. Up first is the Android device, so here we go. Let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and switch over to the iOS device. And here we go. All right, guys, so we did a audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and of course, a latency test. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace!